Okay, I know I haven't posted any videos from the last couple of months, and same goes for my cycling. I've not been cycling from the last 2 months. A lot happened in the last 2 months. I was majorly paying attention to my blog and my work, which left me no time but to sleep and to work. But I'm again at the back usual place. Look at that. That's like the view from Nargar. I'm on my bike, hardtail Merida. Now, a lot of things happened in the past 2 months. One of the most important facts that I got a Hero GoPro 7 Black. Now, hearing a lot about the stability, the image stabilization, you call it like EIS. Complete details in the article. The link's in the description. Do check it out. So, after extensive research on these two devices, I've got Hero GoPro Session 5 and I've got Hero GoPro 7. 5 Session I'm gonna be attaching on the front mount, the handlebar mount that I have, and the GoPro 7 Black, it's gonna be on my seat mount, which is this, with no suspension. Hero GoPro 5 Session has well, I'm gonna open up the suspension, so Session has the advantage, but I wanted to check whether it's like worth spending money in the Hero GoPro 7 or not. Okay, so let's just check out the stabilization, or EIS, as better known as electronic image stabilization of GoPro 7 Black. Okay, so we're gonna put them through a series of tests. First test is gonna be I'm taking a cobble route from the back of Nagar with both cameras attached, and then we're gonna fix both of the cameras onto the shorty, and we're gonna run, and let's see how the image stabilization, the video stabilization comes out. Okay, let's test them. Bang. Sida. Alright, so as you can see, there's like a vast amount of difference between Hero GoPro Session that I've been using earlier and Hero GoPro 7. So this tutorial was about Hero GoPro 7 image stabilization, and I don't have that much processing power to process 2.7K or 4K video, especially when it's like more than 5 minutes. It takes a lot of time rendering. But I usually make my videos in 1080p, which has the stabilization by default turned on in Hero GoPro 7 Black. So do fiddle with the device if you want to buy a GoPro 7, check the link in the description. You can get better deals on Amazon. The same link is in my blog article as well. Okay. So the first tutorial was about the video stabilization. Second one is about this amazing feature that these guys took out. That's called as well, it's called as not time-lapse but hyperlapse. It's like an amalgamation of time-lapse plus hypersmooth stabilization that this device has. Okay, but that's like in the next video. I'm gonna go now, have some breakfast, and then head home. And in the meantime, check out all the specs, check out how this image stabilization works, and read my article. I'll see you in the next video then. Bye bye.